Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how you can integrate Zendesk with Slack, so follow along. To install the integration, you must have administrative privileges in Zendesk support and have permission to install apps in the Slack workspace. Additionally, the integration cannot be installed on a shared Slack workspace, means a workspace you don't own but have been invited to as an external user. Now, once you got the access to administration, head over to your Zendesk homepage and then select Apps and Integrations. From there, select Explore the Marketplace and then choose Slack. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. Simply click on Get Set Up. A pop-up will appear to how to set up Slack, and here it says, visit our install page to get started. So just click on this install link. On this page, you'll ask to give permissions to Zendesk and choose the Slack workspace on which you want to integrate the Zendesk bot. You can switch between the workspaces from the menu given in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're done, simply click on Allow. After that, type in your Zendesk subdomain. You can get it by going back to Zendesk and selecting the domain followed by your workspace name in the URL bar. Simply copy and paste it. Agree to the terms and click Next. Here you have to give permission to Slack to access your Zendesk account, so just click on Allow. And you can see our Zendesk is successfully integrated with Slack. So if I go over to my Slack, you can see I have the Zendesk bot in my workspace. So that's how you can integrate Zendesk to Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider giving a big thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Thanks.